Let's go now to chapter 4, exponential functions. So the first subtopic is representing real-life situations using exponential functions. Now we have a question here. How do we predict our population in the future? Okay. The answer here is we make use of an exponential function. Okay, we will learn that one later with an example. Now we have this definition. An exponential function with base b is a function of the form f of x equals b raised to x. Okay? And of course, we can replace f of x by y, or y is equal to b raised to x, where our b must be greater than 0, okay, and b must not be equal to 1. Because 1 raised to any number is what? Always 1. Okay, so mo lang na siya ang condition. Your b must be positive and must not be equal to 1. Okay, take note ha, your variable, your domain x, the element of your domain x is an exponent. B is the base, your x is your exponent. So we have this example. Complete the table of values. X equals 3 to 1, 0. This is negative 1. This is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we have these three exponential function. So man siya 1, 2, 3. Then all you need to do is just substitute your negative 3, your negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 on the given function. Okay, you can use your calculator to verify this. Okay, what have you noticed? Look at these two. If your base is less than or is between 0 and 1, what will happen to your value of y? What? It will decrease. Nag-decrease from 27, 9, 3, 1, and so on. And for the third one, 1.95, 1.5 until 0.512. Okay? But if your base is greater than 1, so for example this one, kaning sa middle, which is 10, then magka-increase pod ang value. Okay? If you increase your x, the value of your x from negative to positive man ni, then magka-increase pod ang value of your y. So example 2. If f of x equals 3 raised to x, evaluate the following. So we have this solution. So for number 1, f of 2. So substitute lang si x. At x equals 2, we have this. So 3 squared is equal to 9. Correct. Next, what if negative 2? So substitute. And then by the law of exponent, if we have a raised to negative n, law of exponent, bababa yan, magiging positive. So kaya naging 1 over 3 squared. So 1 over 9. F 1/2. So substitute, magiging 3 raised to 1/2. Remember, from exponential to square root, this is equal to nth root of a. Remember this? That is why 3 raised to 1 over n is 2, 3. But since that is 2, or this is 2, we can eliminate this, no? Kay square root man na. We can there's no need to write 2. So that is why square root of 3. Then last example, substitute 0.4. 0.4 is 2/5. So we can rewrite this as this, no? If we have m over n, recall that we can write this one. Your denominator will be the nth root, and magiging am, because we can rewrite this as a raised to m 1 over n. That is why we have 3 squared. So, C2. So, mo ni C2, cm. 3 squared ang sa loob. Okay? So, fifth root of 9. That is how you evaluate. Okay? You just substitute your x. And then, solve.